So this is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So first thing first, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are yet to subscribe. Make sure you like, share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that you will not miss out on any single update we are going to be dropping for you guys there. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, take a look at this Swiss franc JPY, right? So we've gotten a multiple rejection at the zone whereby markets then push up, right? Now expect a pullback. The market should push up over time. So whatever you're going to be doing on your Swiss franc JPY right now, you're anticipating for one more push up that will give us a bullish move, right? Now take a look at it on our daily time frame right here, guys. We're having a series of higher high and higher low. Right, this is the full trend. This is the main trend. Market has literally trending to the upside. Now for quick analysis, this is our high. This is also our higher low. The market was now able to push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? The market was now able to push up again to form a new higher high, and now this is the higher low. This higher low, we should expect the market to continue to push up till it is able to form a new higher high for us, thereby taking out this high right here. So this is to tell you that a bullish move in the long run is what we are going to be anticipating for on on our Swiss franc JPY. So if you are a swing trader or a position trader and you would like to hold your position for the next 1 to 2 months, going for the buy, right? Go ahead and take your buy on Swiss franc JPY and hold your position. So now take a look at this right here. This is just a pullback that Swiss franc JPY is giving us. Once the London session opens, look for your buy setup that will eventually push up, take out this. So for the day, we will be expecting Swiss franc JPY to give us a bullish move.